Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how you can unhide columns in OnlyOffice. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see here, my columns start with A, B, C to G, and then is P, Q, R, S, T, but in the between we have H and so on. So how do we unhide these columns? So it's pretty simple and fast. What you need to do, you just need to select G column and P column and then right click on it and you will see here hide and show. So click on show and you will see now that everything changed and I unlocked HIJKLMNO. And the same thing is if you want to hide some specific columns, you just select those columns. Now, for example, week 3, and I just hide it, and now it's gone. What I need to do now is just here select R and X, and right click and show, and we have our week 3 back. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.